In this video, I'll show you how to open Mostbet account. This is very easy. I also subscribe to YouTube channel for more important videos like this. So before we continue, I'd advise you to create a professional Mostbet account. To do that, click on register, choose the phone or email address option or advise the email address. And then you choose your country. Once you choose your country, choose your currency US dollar, fill in your email address and your password. When you come down to the promo code box, you use the promo code Renzo TV. If you use the promo code Renzo TV, Mostbet is going to give you up to 400 US dollars as your first deposit bonus. Once you use the promo code Renzo TV, click on confirm. Once that is confirmed, the promo code is going to be applied. Fill in every other detail and then click on register. Now that you've created your account, let's continue. So to open an Mostbet account, what you have to do is click on register and then you're going to choose phone number or email address option. So I'll advise the email address option. You choose your country that you want to use in this case and confirm, and then choose your currency. Once you choose your currency, put in your email address and your password. Now the very important thing you have to do is to use the promo code Renzo TV. If you use the promo code Renzo TV, Mostbet is going to give you up to 400 US dollars on your first deposit. So once you use it, when you click Rental TV, go ahead and confirm that promo code to apply it, and then apply and register your account. Once that is done, you go ahead complete your first deposit and you've opened your Mostbet account.